Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Nanwal. In today's video I have explained about exhaust fan, how to repair it and how to check its capacitor, how do we check its winding. I have explained all the solution in one video. First of all, I will open the back cover of exhaust fan motor. After that we will remove all the three screws one by one. I have checked you the value of capacitor. This value is 3.15 MFD. As you can see that I am opening this exhaust fan for the first time, and I can see here that both the wire of exhaust fan motor are damaged. First of all, we have a series board lamp with which we will check whether our winding wire is correct or not. Then after that we will check the capacitor, and only then we will proceed further work. First of all, we will insert the two wires of capacitor and check the three winding wire, primary and secondary. If my series lamp is glow, then after we know my all wires is correct. And also my capacitor is correct. If not my capacitor is correct, then I change it. My capacitor, you can see, good. After that we will check all the four winding wires one by one to see if there is short on our wire, or if it is damaged. We will check series lamp and we will sort we will check all these four wires one by one, primary and secondary. Primary two wires glow the lamp, or secondary two wires who connected glow, you can see. Then after I sorted two wire, first primary and secondary winding wire, and then I will check three wire, two common wires, primary and secondary, and two left wire who I connected to capacitor two wire, starting and running wire. Running wire I connected to line in wire, phase and neutral, and common wire and running wire, you can see I connected two common wire, primary and secondary wire. After that we tighten a screw. Then after, you can see I insert second screw very tightly to starting winding wire, and third is I tighten running wire winding. Then I completed my tightening work. Then after we will remove the rubber cap and check whether our bush is fine or not. We will check both the bushes of shaft front and back side. If damaged bushes, we will change the one. But I found my all two bushes are good. If damaged bush, we will change, and if the bushes are correct, we will greasing the both bushes very well. But our bush is fine now, so there is no need to change it. Now we will give input to wires phase and neutral on the motor. Tie a knot. You can see before I tightening my 3 screw, you can see I give a tie knot to the two wires phase and neutral. The wire, both the wires, so that our wire does not break. We will tighten the 3 screw of the motor. You can see the last one screw is this. Now guys, you can see I insert my two wires phase and neutral in the socket 2 holes. You can see my series lamp glow. This means my motor is nicely work. Now I see you parallel socket, insert two wires. You can see my shaft is rotating the left side nicely. This meant there was a wire problem in our motor. That means wire was badly damaged and we have resolved it. Thank you guys. Thank you friends. Please keep watching my videos and support.